Dive into the heart of the Pacific with these expert tips and tricks for traveling like a true Samoa connoisseur. Embrace Fa'a Samoa, the Samoan way of life, by learning local greetings like talofa and showing respect through modest dress and participation in ceremonies. This cultural sensitivity is your passport to genuine connections. Venture beyond the tourist trails to Samoa's hidden natural wonders. From the lush Olapupupui National Park to the enchanting Tusua Ocean Trench, immerse yourself in landscapes that whisper tales of ancient times. Feast on Samoa's culinary treasures, from the creamy palusami to the savory sapasui. Local markets burst with tropical flavors, inviting you to savor each bite as a celebration of Samoan heritage. Experience the vibrant fiafia, where traditional dances and fire knife performances ignite the night. These cultural showcases are a window into the soul of Samoa. Support sustainable development by staying in a traditional fail and joining in village life. Your engagement with community-based tourism enriches both your journey and the lives of local Samoans. Honor Samoa's pristine beauty by treading lightly. Adhere to no littering policies and conserve resources to protect this island paradise for generations to come. Delve into Samoa's rich history and legends to understand the island's spirit. Visiting cultural centers and listening to local stories will deepen your appreciation for this storied land. Witness the sacred art of Samoan tattooing, a testament to honor and tradition. Observing a pea or malu tattoo ceremony is a profound cultural immersion. Embrace the tranquility of Samoa's shores. Let the rhythm of the waves lull you into a state of pure relaxation, enhancing your journey's harmony. Traveling like a Samoa expert is an art form, blending cultural respect with adventurous spirit. Follow these tips, and you'll unlock the essence of Samoa, leaving with a heart full of memories and a soul enriched by the island's magic.